Instead of giving you the standard overview, let's go ahead and deploy the project so you can see it live. If you go to hitlanding.com or landing.hitstartup.com, both of these websites show virtually the same thing. This is what we are able to create. Now, what you're going to want to do is go to one of these pages and click on Deploy to Heroku. Notice that you can learn how to build this step by step right there. And you can also check out the developer. If you are a developer, you can check out all the code right there. But I'm going to go ahead and click Deploy to Heroku. And this is going to log me into Heroku.com, which is a hosting service. There's definitely more to it than just that, but it's a service that allows you to host your site for free. And I'm just going to call this Hit with 2 I's Idea. That's going to be the name of my project. Down here, I'm going to call it Hit Idea. My website, I don't actually have one for this, but I'll do hitidea.com. And that is essentially what it's going to be, right? So hitidea.com will be my website. And this is going to be associated in my backend. So not to worry too much about it. You can change this stuff later. I'll show you that in a second. I'm going to hit deploy. I'm going to pause the video for a minute. This might take a few seconds. It might take a few minutes depending on how fast your connection is and also depending on how Heroku is working right now. Sweet. So now that that is complete, we can actually go ahead and view our app here. So this is the app. There it is. It's there. It's ready. You can actually now use this to collect things as a landing page. Of course, there are some details here on how you can go about changing this page, and we go into a lot more detail on this actual YouTube video right here. That video will actually show you step by step on how to change everything, and it just goes into more depth on realistically how you're going to go about doing it. But I will mention one more thing is if you go to Manage App, you can go to Settings, and you can actually change or add your domains here. If you are going to be using any given domain, I would put your wildcard domain here, just like that. So hit Ideas, hit Save Changes, and this is the domain name I would end up putting. If you needed to change it for some reason, I would go into Reveal Config Variables and then come in here and then change your website name. Do not change the key name on any of these. And that is very, very important. The secret token you also do not want to give out. Okay, so if you guys have any questions on what we did here, please save them and bring them over to this video in particular. That video is really where we go into a lot more depth. But I wanted to show you really quickly on how you could go about launching a landing page within seconds. Thanks for watching.